What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Resorts World, gonna do a room tour of the City King room in the Hilton Tower, room number 35393. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into this new room at this new hotel, you are in your entryway, and immediately to the left you do have a full body mirror, of course, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Got to be fresh before you hit the strip. And directly across from the full body mirror you do have your bathroom. So this is a nice, clean, updated bathroom. I know Hilton got a lot of negative gripe when the hotel first opened, so we had to check it out for ourselves. But coming in, you do have your toilet, so nice clean space, no water closet. You do have a big, bright, backlit mirror with a clean single vanity sink. And then below you have your towels and washcloths, and then there is a hair dryer for those of you who may need that. So very nice sink area. And then over to the left you have your massive walk-in shower. This is a really big walk-in shower, so give them kudos for that. You do have the gold accents, you do have the extendable shower head, and then you have the high, huge rainfall shower head. Very, very nice. Need to get one of these for the house. But you do have your dispensers. I know some people rather the bars, and then you have a bench over here as well. So this is a very, very, very spacious shower. So very nice bathroom. And we'll go ahead and head up out of the bathroom and then go and check out the main part of the room. This door seems very, very sturdy. So if you're concerned about the door being heavy or light, it's got some weight to it. So before we get into the main part of the room, here you do have your closet, and these doors also are pretty sturdy. So I guess Hilton said they were gonna make sure they gave durable equipment. So you do have an iron and ironing board here. You have some hangers, and then you also have a luggage rack in case you need to store your luggage. That is there for you. So moving along through the entryway, heading on over into the main part of the room. Those doors are so heavy. This is your main bedroom space. It is a really, really, really nice space. So let's go ahead and get through this and check it out. So on this side, you do have a king size bed. This is a really nice, comfortable bed. And then next to, or on each side of the bed, you have a lamp, but you do have USB outlet charger ports as well as standard outlet charging ports, and the switch to control the lamps. There is like an LED bulb above the bed, so that's very cool. And then directly across from your king bed is your entertainment space. So you've got a nice little counter space up top, so if you need to store some things or have that space above, it's convenient for you. You do have USB standard charging and regular charging on that one as well. This drawer here is your in-room safe, so if you need to lock up your valuables, that'll be behind this drawer. And then these going along are just extra storage space. So we've got 3 drawers for storage. That's convenient for those who may need it. We've got a nice size wall mounted TV. And then over here we have the mini bar space. So you have your expensive snacks that nobody wants to touch, but those are there for convenience. If you do want to, just grab them off the sensor to use your card charge to check in. Ice bucket and cups. And then down here you've got your stocked drinks, so if you need some extra drinks, you can go ahead and take those. And then over here you have a small empty mini refrigerator, so that's convenient for those who might need to keep your drinks cool. Over here on this side of the bed you also have another light, and under that you have additional USB and standard outlet charging ports, so you do have these on both sides of the bed. And then here you have an iHome clock radio, as well as a wireless charging port on top of it. So if you want to charge your devices wirelessly, that is an option for you as well. Then if you have extra guests, or if you want to just chill and eat and relax, you do have a table and a chair for 2. So this is also convenient. And then for the finale, you do have your floor to ceiling windows. As you can see, this particular room is a city view. It's not a strip view. Resorts World is at the end going toward the north end of the strip. So you can see Circus and the Stratosphere down there, and then the rest of the city on this side. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.